What is theory? Theory comes from the Latin theoria, Jeronimo, which comes from the Greek theoria, which defines contemplation, speculation, look for, based on two Greek words theōrein, something considered, speculated, and theōros, spectator. Thus the foundation of the word theory is in speculation, or in the look of something and the imagination of what represents such thing. A theory is basically a hypothesis or conjecture, presenting logical factors. Notably, every organism that manages its theory seeks to define its theory to be true, knowing that theory is different from law. Law is an empirical generalization, a statement of a principle which seems to be without exception at the time it is made, and has been consolidated by repeated successful tests. A body of knowledge and explanatory concepts that seek to increase our understanding, explain, an important phenomenon of nature. As long as the law is a detection of something that happens systematically in the laboratory, the theory is a system that seeks to explain a phenomenon. A theory in the course of history was often altered in history. What makes theory a matter of faith? Unlike the law that does not construct models, just observation, the law is not begotten in faith, defining only that the theory of existence is real. One of the basic concepts we can analyze is the concept of if I think therefore I am. In fact, even in this we have a concept of faith. In fact, many areas of science arrogate to the arrogance of truth, and truth itself bears a theory, or even a hypothesis. In fact, even existence involves a belief. Several films are made about this belief, such as Matrix. That is why scientists who observe such things determine that scientific theory links the lack of evidence to be confirmed, defining as advanced assumptions. In fact, the most complete foundation of reality involves the very concept of Descartes, and in this he links mathematical logic. What characterizes the theory is a concept of beliefs that try to explain an observed phenomenon. This is clear from seeing the definitions of various scientists and philosophers, and observing that various phenomena in the scientific environment are explained by various theories. If one or the other becomes famous, this does not make this fame give it the classification of true, is only to which most people have more faith, or believe more.